We guide you through how to remove a Gmail account on desktop safely and correctly. First thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Gmail or any Google page. Then, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Then, go to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down to download or delete your data and choose Delete a Google service. From the list, select Gmail and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm removal. You may be asked to verify your identity and add a non-Gmail email address for future access. Once completed, Gmail will be removed from your Google account on the desktop. And make sure to back up important emails before doing this, since deleting Gmail is permanent and cannot be undone.